Ooh, that made me jump. Hello there, how are you doing? I'm out in Millington Woods today, which is a few miles outside Pocklington. Been doing a bit of geocaching. It's about 8:30 in the morning. I'm getting hungry. It's time to cook some breakfast. The car's parked there. There's these nice little picnic benches near me. It does say, please do not light barbecues on the table. Well, that's not my style. Everything I need to do is in that bag. So what have we got and what are we having? I'm using the Ridgemonkey Connect Compact coffee, some water, stove, food bag. The handy thing about this Ridgemonkey is it all comes in the pan. And I'm only using this small one today because there's only me. Tools. So in terms of food, I've got eggs, some potato for mashing, it's that powdered stuff, chopped onion, cheese and ham, and a little bit of diced salami. First things first, I'm going to fry off some onions. A little squirt of oil. I did dice a whole onion, I'll use that later. I just kind of want to sweat these down a little bit, get a bit more in there. We're not aiming to caramelise these, just soften them up a bit so that they're nice and sweet. So I need to keep some of this moisture in and not overcook them. Need to get both sides of the pan heated up though, so let's just get that done. Oh, we do like a bit of sizzle sound, don't we? Right, that's starting to soften up a little bit. So while it is, I am going to add in the ham and the salami just to kind of cook the flavour of these all together. And also, salamis are quite fatty, aren't they? It'd be good to have those fats mixed into this. Yeah, look at that. Those fats from the salami starting to seep into this. Lovely. Give it a nice rich flavour. Nice. Oh yeah. That's looking good. That smells amazing. Getting nice and soft. Just try one. Yeah, actually that's about there. Oh, look at that. Lovely. That's the roof. It's another minute or so on that side. Yeah, I think that'll do. Cover that up. Next thing to do is to boil a bit of water. Alright, that'll do. So I'm just going to put my smash in there. There is a little bit of, I can't remember how much potato I had in this, and I was planning on doing something else with this little container of smash. So there is a little bit of a stock cube in there, hence the brown bits. What would we do without sporks, eh? Smash that up a little bit. Right, I've added the onions and the ham into the potato, and I'm just going to mix that all. I'm going to mash the mash. I'm going to mash it all up, mix it all together. There we go. And get the pan back on. Heat that up a little bit, and then we're going to spoon that into here. So I want to make this quite square so it fits the shape of the pan, and you'll see why soon. Right, we'll just fry that for a little bit so it browns off on both sides. Don't want it to dry out too much. Right, it's been cooking for a few minutes. Let's flip it over. So looks alright on that side. Let's just flip it over. Give it a shake. Yeah, that's not too bad. Just cook it a little bit on the other side. Quite noisy out here, isn't it? Sound of shooting, always reassuring. Right, so let's flip that over, see what the other side's like now. Oh, it's sticking a little bit, that wasn't what I was hoping for. I think I might just have to gamble this. What I'm going to do now is separate the pans, turn the heat off, put that to one side for a second. Just clean that out a little bit. Eggs. Let's get this reheating. No idea whether this is going to work. This is where the gamble comes in. Now, my intention is not to put all the eggs in here right now, just to create like a bit of a base. It's a little bit uneven, so let's just... There we go, it's evened that up a little bit more. And then while that's cooking off, I was hoping to create like a patty that I could just slide into here. But that's not going to work, I don't think. I don't know, it's going. I might just need to spread it out a little bit. Oh, I'm just going to have to bloody pour it in. Not worked quite as I'd hoped. Right, let's spread this out. Actually, take that off, clean that out, a little bit of oil, that's it, same again, just cook that for a minute or two. Right, that's getting there, so let's tip some of the surplus of that onto here. Will this work? Here's the interesting bit. Now I kind of want to drop that onto there. Ooh, will it work? Time will tell. Flip that. See, that looks alright, doesn't it? Right, let's have a look, see if this is working. So that's the side that looks alright. Let's flip that over. Hey, that's not bad. What do you think? Let it cook for a few more minutes. Just had to do a quick camera battery change, and in the meantime it's popped that right open. Let's flip it. Yeah, that looks quite good, doesn't it? We'll give it another minute to go on that side. That made me jump. But that's what happened before. It's the eggs expanding have popped the magnets apart here. I think we'll serve that up. Now, in true Carl fashion, I did completely forget to bring a proper sized plate for this, so we're going to have to do this that way. So what do you think of this kind of tortilla style breakfast then, eh? Let's have a little bit of a taste test. Hot. Tastes all right. I did forget to put the cheese on, which would have added a little bit of extra to it. But to be honest with you, it's hot, nutritious, and it tastes all right. Anyway, if you've got any ideas of how I could have done this a little bit better, I mean, it's worked. It's just a little bit of jiggery pokery to make it work. If you've got any ideas how I could have done that a bit better and made it work better, let me know in the comments. Let me know what you think of this in the comments. I know quite a few people have emulated the breakfast omelettes that I've been making in some of my videos. So this was just another variation of that. I'd had this idea of using smash for a while to create like a tortilla, just to see what it was like. And yeah, it's not too bad. Obviously it would be better with proper potatoes. Another one I'm going to try it with, car coming. Another one I'm going to try it with is those potato rosties that I like. Because I think I can make that work too. Anyway, you know the routine. And if you like what I'm doing, smash subscribe and the bell, all that stuff. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to tuck in. You take care of yourself. Cheerio. I had to come back and say, that was really good. It was far tastier than I expected. Once I kind of got into it, and that spicy salami that I added, it really made all the difference. Yeah, that was really good. Not sure on the mashed texture, but it wasn't hideous, but yeah, that was really good. Winner.